Welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, you are going to learn about the outliner window. Hope you have got idea of the properties window from the last lecture. The outliner window gives you a visual display of everything in a scene and shows how different items are connected. For example, at our present scene, we can see a camera, lamp, and the cube. They can be seen in the outliner window. You can select the object directly from the outliner window. Like if I want to select my cube, I can select it from the outliner window. You can do the same by right clicking on the object. Now let us create a UV sphere. I'll keep my target here and select UV sphere. So here we see in the outliner window that we have created another object. Now, what if you want to hide any object? You can hide it by clicking here. If I want to hide the sphere, I can click there. And if I want to hide the cube, I will click here. So in this way, we can hide objects. Now if I want to bring it back, I'll again click the same eye icon. Now, if you want to restrict the viewpoint of any object, you can restrict it by clicking on this mouse button. For example, I don't want my sphere to get selected. Then I will restrict its viewpoint by unchecking this one. And now if I try to select my sphere, I cannot select it because I have restricted its viewpoint. Now, to reverse it, click again on the same icon. And you see we can select our sphere. We can even restrict its rendering by clicking on this rendering icon.